Okay, so in the last stage, you dragged your footage from the project panel down to the composition, create a new composition button, and then we pulled our new composition down here. So if I were to go through this, this is all the raw footage. It's not rendered right now, which is why we can't quite see the preview. I'm running low on disk space. I have to clean stuff up, so it's taking a little bit of time. So from here, you are going to split the layer. Go slow, I'm walking. When you're out of the shot, so I'm going to walk out of the shot. I'm telling Miss Stillman right there. Okay. I'm still in the shot. Okay, perfect. So right when I'm out of the shot, you are going to split the layer. You can split the layer by doing Command, Shift, and D. Do you see how that split the layer into two? So here's the first part of it down here. Here's the second part of it over here. And we are going to rename this layer the background layer, because that is the layer that doesn't, that's going to just have the still background. So if you're doing this outside, that's fine. This is we're going to take off, really end up over this. Okay, then we're going to do the same thing, but we are going to find that frame right when you leave the, there we go, right when you leave the ground. I'm going to do that one. And same thing, make sure you're on that layer, and we're going to split it, Command Shift D, and we're going to name this part. Oops, I opened a new layer somehow. Okay, right click, rename, and rename this part flying. And the important part on this one is we are going to right click on this flying layer, go to time, and then we're going to freeze frame that. There we go. So this is how we could tell it was freeze framed. And we're going to drag our background layer all the way to the bottom, because that is the bottom. So there you go. There, you're done with this stage for now. Really take your time and make sure you have a good clean image of you, because you're going to need to really kind of get around your whole body. So do you see on this part, do you see